Hey everyone, our Cashfree integration is now live. So if you have your appointment page, you can connect with Cashfree to accept payments for your appointment. For example, I have this example page. I'm going to click on a date and I'm going to fill the information here. Uh, I have just only Cashfree payment gateway connected, so it's showing here. I have specified 10 rupees for the appointment. Just click on pay and confirm. I will be redirected to the Cashfree payment website, so I need to pay here. This is just a test account, so there is test UPI ID. It will take few seconds to confirm the payment, and you will be redirected back to the DaySchedule website where the appointment will be confirmed, and the customer can see all the details like to add to calendar or confirmation IDs and all other details can be seen on your DaySchedule confirmation page. So it's done. The payment has been confirmed. Now the customers will be taken back to the day schedule page where the appointment status is confirmed. They can see the address for the booking because it's a doctor appointment. So I mentioned a physical address for that. And if you are the admin, you can just go to your day schedule admin panel and you can see the booking details. So we scheduled for 9:30 a.m. The 9:30 a.m. booking has been confirmed, and we can see all the details here: cash free payment reference ID, the amount we received, and the status is confirmed. And uh, the appointment would also be sent to the invitees with the details on the email as well. In order to connect with Cashfree, you just need to go to connections and here scroll down to payments option and click on the connect button here on the Cashfree row. So once you connected, you can select the payment options and define the prices of your appointment here in the accept payment. Check this box and define the prices here so that when someone book an appointment, for example, if I change it to 100, when someone open my appointment page and they book an appointment, they would be able to see that they need to pay 100 rupees in order to confirm the appointment.